Hello and welcome to another video. So today we are going to be looking at these things over here, what we recently bought for my boys' gaming room. Now after looking on Amazon and looking at a lot of reviews, we ended up settling on this one here. Now in total there was 76 pieces for this, and here's a cool thing, it cost £11, let me check, it cost £11 and 59 pence for this, so that's a little under $13 to get all of these, and they're really simple to put on. You just peel them off here and then you stick them, like so you can see, just peel them off like that and then you just rub them on the wall. Okay, so let me show you the actual one that we bought on Amazon, and then I'll go and show you how it actually ended up in the playroom. So let me just take it out of, sorry, let me take it out of here really quick. Let me try and take it out of here really quick. There we go. So you can see on here, this is the one you can see I purchased it on the 26th of September, and you can see the price is $11.59. So you get 76 pieces in this, and this includes wall stickers, obviously wall stickers, sorry. This includes different video game elements. And if I click on this picture here, I'll show you it. So they show you a number of, different ways you can set these stickers up. So you've got all of these different options here. We've got this one, this one, this one. And it goes on here, it talks about suitable surfaces and non-suitable. But basically, obviously we're using this inside in a house, so we're just going on a smooth, a smooth wall. It says down here it's not suitable for a brick wall. I mean, who would think of putting on a brick wall, or a mouldy wall, or an unclean wall, or even wallpaper just done? You want to be putting this over on a smooth surface, okay? So this is the item. Honestly, for 76 pieces, I'm really happy with it, and it looks great. And we can see on here, look, in total you get 6 sheets of gamer wall stickers. So there was 6 sheets, enough to cater for your needs or wall decorations. Quality material, proper size. So it says down here, look, they measure anywhere from 25 centimeters here up to 35 centimeters. Now this is obviously what they come on, so you just peel them off and put them away. But let me show you the end result of these and how they actually look on the wall. So let's just go for a quick walk. And you can see here, this is in the gaming room. So these are the stickers and how we've put them on the wall. So let me just move back a little bit. But overall, very, very happy with them. They stick on the wall, really simple, and then obviously you can play around with them how you want them. And literally it probably took me realistically about 30 minutes to get all of this set up. But let me just move back here so you can see. Yeah, there you go. And if I come a bit further to this, you can see, here we go, and that's it. So it's literally just a case of peel them off, stick them on, and they're good to go. So yeah, really, really happy with this. So I will leave a link to this if you want to go ahead and check this out. It's available on Amazon. Those ones up there, they were separate. I bought them separately, so I'll probably do another video on them and show you them. But overall, 76 pieces, and we've still got some left. So for a gaming room, it's absolutely awesome. So yeah, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. We'll see you soon.